Hello everybody, this is Jim. In this video, I'm going to show you the proof that making money online it's possible. If you never made a dime on the internet, if you are struggling trying to make some money and you fail, don't worry. I will show you the proof that it's possible to make money online. Okay? So with a simple trick. But I won't show you in this video, I will just show you the proof, and if you want to know more about it, I will send it for you for free. I won't ask you any money, okay? You have to notice that if you are skeptical about making money online, I can understand it. I don't understand it, but I can understand the fact that you are skeptical. But if you don't if you see like companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, these companies are making money online. So if you are skeptical about this, I don't know what to tell you, but I can understand. I will just ask you to leave this video because this video is definitely not for you. It won't help you, and you are losing your time. For the other people, I will ask you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I will post other videos to show you other proofs and other methods. So I want you to stay with me and you won't regret it. Okay? So in this video is for persons that are trying to start a business online and they have some excuses as I don't have money or I don't have time. Or in this video I'll show you the proof and this of a method, and this method doesn't need any technical skills. If you have if you can if you have a smartphone and internet connection, you're good to go, and you can make $1 or €1 for me every single day, and it will take 2 or 3 minutes of your time maximum. Okay, so after this, if you don't have 2 or 3 minutes and you're not able to do this method, you don't feel that for you it's you think that it's hard or you cannot do this, leave this channel, and this video is not for you too. So if you don't have 3 minutes time and you don't want to take free money, I'm sorry for you, I'm really sorry for you. Why I'm doing this video, it's not to show you that I'm a genius or something, it's just to help you make money online, because I know how do you feel when you have your first dollar online. You feel like you have $1 million because there's something like magical that happened, and you say, wow, I'm just staying at home or I'm doing something and I have some results, like my actions have some echoes in the world, and I have a retribution, I have a reward by someone or something that I don't know. So it's very magical, and when you will feel this, the first $1, and you will see the receive a mail that telling yes, you have earned this or that. Even if you have 1 cent, you will be very excited. Your first dollar in the internet will stay forever in your mind, and you will unlock something in your head, and you will see that everything is possible, and for you a new world will happen. If you already know how, if you already have earned money online, this will be another income stream, because we need to have other income streams. You won't be a millionaire with this method. You can earn about 30 to 40 or more dollars But you have to think smart. So if you have 30 or $40 extra dollars a month, so even you can go to eat pizza, eat Cheetos, or spending for something you don't really need, or you can leverage this money to make more money, invest in yourself, or buy books, or buy a training or something, or invest in something that will allow you to go a little bit further. And this is the only way to make money online. Okay, so I want um, to this method is very easy. Even a child of a 10 years child can do it. It won't take time, it won't take effort. Even if you are a really newbie, you never did any cent online, in 2 days you will receive your first dollar, and you will feel what a lot of people are feeling when they receive money. So I won't talk a lot. So if you are skeptical about earning money online, please leave the video. If you don't want to put any effort, 2 minutes or 3 minutes a day, please leave this video, because if you want to succeed in online business, you need to work. This is the first method, but the other method maybe takes more time. So if you don't want to invest in your business, it's not a business, it's a hobby. If you do a hobby, you can do it for free. Okay, but here I want you to have money on your PayPal account. Okay, so I will show you the proof, because for me only the proof matters. I can talk about 1 hour, but I will show you the results. Not I don't have millions with this method. Only €1 a day. It's not for bragging, because you cannot brag with €1, but it's possible. It's free money. Okay. Okay, I will connect to my PayPal account right now, and I will show you. So I refresh the page. Of course, I will blur everything, and if you need more information, go in the description. I don't want everybody to know this method. Not, I don't want to not motivated people have access to this method. I don't want people to do wrong things, or that can hurt this method. But I will show only the person that are motivated. So if you want to know this method, click in the link below. But first, I will show you my PayPal account. It's the best thing to show you. Okay, so I will blur all the information. Okay, I'm sorry for my English. I'm not English. Okay, and this method is for people that are in US, UK, Germany, in Western country. I don't. It doesn't work in every country. I'm sorry for the others, but this method is for France and Western countries. Some countries and some other countries in America and Africa or something. Okay, so just check. Okay, so here my PayPal account. This is my activity. I started this method not that long. And that long. Okay. So we are August 24th. Okay. So I start with this account at 15. €1, 40 cents, €1, €1, €1. Every single day this 15, 16, €1, 17, €1, 18, 19, €1. Every single day I have €1. At the end of the month, maybe I will have €30 or more. I think more, because I have more money, but I want to send myself only €1 a day to show you that it's possible. But I can have €2, or maybe I will just subscribe. I will post other videos maybe every week to show you that it's possible, and I want to motivate you. Okay, so take action. If you don't take any action, you won't have any money. Okay, so I will refresh the page. Okay, because people are sometimes skeptical. Well, I can understand, but anyway, I refresh the page and okay, I go. If I can go to here, €1, €2, etc. Okay, so if you want to know this method, click right now in the link in the description, and I will send you the method, and you will make your first money. If you do my method, that will take 3 or 2 minutes, and you don't make money, I will ask you to leave my channel. I'm sure 100% that if you do what I will show you, you will earn money. You know, it's not like a rocket science. It's very easy. You will, and it's funny. When I will show you the method, you will laugh and you will say, wow, I can make money by doing this. You know, okay, I won't say more for this video. Sorry for my English. I will try to improve my English. Subscribe and make the hit the like button, and share to your friend if you have some friend who needs some money, want to start a business. Share. The more you give, the more you get. See you guys, and I wish that you enjoy this video. Bye bye.